All right, welcome back, baby. We got another episode of Unbox That Wheel, and this time we got some crazy forged wheels. Shout out to our guys over at Origin Wheel. These are the SMR01s, Centerlock Porsche fitment. Let's cut them open and see what they're all about, baby. Let's go. So let's open up the SMR01s and let's see what they're all about, baby. Wow. Alright, so here we got the Origin SMR01 Centerlock by Origin Wheel. It's a forged wheel. This is for a 992 Porsche, so it's going to be reusing the OEM tires. It's going to be 28.5 up front, 21.5 on the rear. A little bit more aggressive offsets than the standard OEM setups. And the best thing about Origin, what we actually like, is on the back side, they give the optional custom engraving feature at no extra charge. So particularly in this one, is engineered by Origin for a 992 Porsche. You can tap in with some other styles that they dropped off for us as well. For example, the GT3 style with the center lock cap. This is actually made for a 5-lug, but it gives the center lock illusion. We got the F8 style for a Levante Maserati in stock, 22 staggered. And we got the G63 monoblock style, but for like an S-Class, E-Class fitment. So how it works with Origin is they'll custom design anything for you. They do specialize in bringing OG OEM styles and putting them onto different sizes and fitments. So if you want that OEM plus look, Origin Wheel is definitely the brand to be looking into. And like how we always ended up, baby. You want those Origin wheels? We got those Origin deals.